Farm and garden friends, we've got a problem. All right, so it's mid-June, put in the hours, the sweat, you've gotten the whole garden planted out and everything's going beautifully. And then you're on your morning walk, admiring your hard work, and then you see one, and then another, and then another, and it's the dreaded potato bug, AKA Colorado potato beetle. And then reality hits, and you realize that all of your potato plants, maybe even your tomatoes, are covered and being devoured quickly. And if you don't do something about it fast, you could lose your entire crop, and at a minimum, get severe crop damage. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick 3-step process so you can get back out there and take care of this problem before it's too late. You see they're just completely infested, trying to take over every single plant. If we don't take care of them now, we won't have any left, but I think we can still salvage them if we jump on it today. All right, so the first step in the process is take a bucket with some warm soapy water in the bottom of it and literally just come through and shake them into the bucket. So that will take care of them. So that's step one. I'm gonna go through and try to shake all these plants off into the bucket. We'll get anything that's directly on the plant right now taken care of. And then we'll move on to step two. And contrary to the name, it's not just the potatoes you have to worry about. They actually love all of the crops in the nightshade family. So you also have to worry about your tomatoes, your peppers, your eggplant. And unfortunately, they may have found my tomatoes as well. So I'm gonna have to go through, shake any off into the soap mixture and then on to step two. I think I see one right here. No good. All right, step two is we're going to use not coffee, but diatomaceous earth. Every gardener should have some. They can be used in so many different applications, and they're completely organic and really only harmful to the soft-bodied insects. So that being said, as far as the life of these potato beetles go, this won't be very effective on the adults, the hard-bodied beetles. But hopefully we've got the majority of those when we went through and picked them off and shook them off into the soap water. These are more for the larvae in the egg sacs. And the way that the life cycle of a potato bug works is that they'll actually hibernate in the ground over winter. And then they'll emerge in the early summer, find your plants, and the females will lay little yellow or orange ball clusters underneath the leaves. And then in about a week, those will hatch and they'll turn to larvae, and they will start eating your leaves. And they'll do that for 2 to 3 weeks. And once they get large, they'll fall off, burrow into the soil, and then a week later emerge as an adult beetle. So they can actually do that process 1 to 3 times throughout the entire season. So you kind of want to make sure you take care of them during the first go around. So we are going to use this diatomaceous earth, go through here and lightly cover all the plants and the ground and see how effective that is, and then come through tomorrow with phase 3. So let's get after it. All right, so I have been looking forward to step 3 probably the most. And probably that's because I've never tried it, but I believe it's gonna do the trick. And a big shout out to my pops out in Arizona for giving me the idea, because I wouldn't even have thought of it. But we're gonna use some garlic. We're gonna make a garlic spray. I need to go and prepare it. It'll be ready to use tomorrow after the diatomaceous earth has kind of rinsed off after the watering tomorrow. And we'll go from there. Let's go get it whipped up.
Yeah!